This product right here, and this is the condition that we received the product in, and yes, this is the packaging, this is the sticker. This product right here, believe it or not, is doing almost $600,000 in gross revenue every single month. At a 30% conservative profit margin, that's around $150,000 to $180,000 net profit selling just this product right here. Welcome back to another episode of our series, 7-Figure Products. Now, in this series, we're breaking down top-selling Amazon products that are generating over 7 figures. That's at least $1 million per year. That means this one product is generating multiple 6 figures profit. That's net take-home, keep in your bank account profit per year. In this series, our goal is to break down these products, give you constructive criticism about how to find these products, how to make these products better, and walk through the entire process, including finding these products. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that red subscribe button right now and click that notification bell next to it, because every single week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're dropping brand new videos that are gonna help you increase your income, your impact, or your influence. Regardless if you're interested in starting an Amazon business and you're doing your due diligence and research, or you're ready to take your current one to the next level, we've got something for everyone. So before we dive into what this product is and the packaging and so on and so forth, let's dive into my computer and let's dive into these analytics. Let's see exactly how much they're making, and let's take a look at the listing and see what are they doing right, what are they doing wrong, what can we improve, and most importantly, what can we learn. This is a 145-piece wooden box art set. And this tool that we're using to get the analytics from price to monthly sales, daily sales, net, and so on and so forth is Jungle Scout. By the way, regardless if you're looking for your first product or your next product, Jungle Scout is one of the oldest tools around and the tool that I've used for years. So if you don't have access to the software, I highly suggest you click the link down below, or you visit discountonjunglescout.com to get a discount while there's still a discount available. That way you can start looking for your first or your next winning products. So here you can see that a majority of these guys are doing multiple 6 figures per month. We have one person doing $800,000 per month, another person doing $100,000 per month. It looks like another person off to the side of Sunny Glade doing $600,000 per month. Now Sunny Glade is doing monthly 20,000 units approximately. Their daily sales are around 225 units. It looks like their net is right around $18. The fees associated with this product is right around $11. Their rank is top 500. And it looks like they've been selling this product for a little over 2 years. So first and foremost, like I'm always discussing, guys, your images are important. Differentiating your images so they don't look the same as everybody else's, making sure they're high quality, making sure that they have info in them, make sure that they have pros and cons, make sure that you have lifestyle images and so on and so forth. All of these are important, and they're also going to help you not only in the optimization department, but they're going to help you in the conversion department as well. So scrolling through these are pretty generic photos. I see tons of room for improvement in reference to maybe an infographic pointing to them and explaining what they are, like crayons, colored pencils, watercolor, paint, so on and so forth. I see one lifestyle image, and it looks like one just generic image showing the dimensions of the product. Down below looks like they have a video, which means that they have a trademark. Again, on the channel, we're talking about EBC, which is enhanced brand content, which is a form of A+ content. In order to be able to access the eligibility to place videos and additional photos and descriptions down below on your listings, all you have to do is be a part of brand registry. And in order to apply to do so, all you need is a trademark. Now, trademarks can cost anywhere between $500 and $1,500 is what we're seeing typically, and they can take anywhere between 6 to 12 months. So I recommend that you do so as fast as possible. It seems that they have 3 different variations. They have a cherry, a pink, and a tan. These are 3 different color variations. These color variations are going to be different SKUs, but they fall under the same listing. Oftentimes we call these child ASINs. So they fall under the same ASIN, under the same listing, but they individually have different variations because they are different variations of the product itself. This is a good way to extend and exhaust your sales of your product. We're always talking about exhausting the sales of your product before we go and look for another product, which means, can I add variations, colors, sizes, bundles, quantities? Are there other things that I can add onto this listing underneath this product in reference to variations or bundles that are going to increase the monthly sales before I go on to a brand new product? I can't tell you how many times I see people launch products and then go to new products and they leave a ton of potential on their product itself which means that your competition and competitors are going to soak up all that extra slack that you're leaving. Now again, bullet points is a fantastic place to not only use persuasive copy that's going to help you sell your product and paint a picture of your client or customer using the product. It's a wonderful space to use keywords to help with the SEO of your product, as well as a product to talk about key features, dimensions, piece count, so on and so forth. If they have A+ content unlocked, EBC, they're part of brand registry, then you will see that A+ content, which is a combination of images, pictures, videos, additional copies, so on and so forth. Sometimes if they have additional products, they will also have those links down below. This works really good for cross promotion of different semantically relevant products. The conversions on that are very, very high. Directly below that, you'll have any product description that they have, and then reviews. Here you can see immediately pictures showing that the product's damaged, the packaging's damaged. At the beginning, you've seen that the box arrived and the box itself was damaged, which made me cringe a little bit. And I already started to form a perception about the quality of the brand. Just because the packaging is damaged, it doesn't mean that they're taking the proper precautions to protect the actual product. However, judgments are formed and perceptions are formed when someone has never done business with your company and they receive your packaging and it's destroyed. So think about that when you're developing your packaging. How can you protect it? One thing off the bat, use thicker corrugated boxes. We often talk about crush factor. Another thing you can do is actually seal it in cellophane or actually in a clear plastic wrap. That's one of my personal favorite ways. And there's tons of different ways. So communicate this and express this and the importance of this with your supplier or the engineer that's working with you on your product. First impression on the box, it's just a generic thin cardboard box, not very high quality or premium. It's just a generic average box. Here you can see the logo. I don't know if you guys can see that here. Here you can see the logo and the packaging. It's just a small little sticker. I honestly wouldn't even have put the picture on here and just put the ASIN. Basically, they have it to show the ASIN. Other than that, nothing crazy. Yet, even though the box came ripped, the box came in pretty crappy condition, you still see they're doing multiple 7 figures per year. So boxes aren't always a make or break thing. However, how you do anything is how you do everything. And my goal for you guys is to launch the best product that you can, to launch the highest quality product that you can, and do everything the best that you can. Just because a product is doing extremely well, I recommend that you constantly find ways to break your business and to break your product. That's a big mistake I made, and I see a lot of these profitable products and these products that are crushing it, and I see so much room for improvement. I kind of start to look back on myself when I was starting out, because after failing multiple products and my 4th product making me over $1 million and changing me and my family's life, I remember that product for, I would say, a good 3 to 6 months, I was just scaling it, focusing on making as much money as humanly possible. And I wasn't auditing or critiquing or trying to break the product or the brand and improve it. When I'm launching and when I'm in product development and when I'm consulting and coaching and teaching, I'm constantly trying to break products and break brands and find ways to improve, and not only improve profit margins, but efficiencies for production and scalability and packaging size and weight and all of these things. Here you can see the actual product itself is definitely protected a lot more than what it was in the actual packaging. Here on the corner, you can see they have these corner protectors. When I'm talking about crush factor in boxes, sometimes you can have these to protect the inside packaging. So it looks like for this case, it is a wooden box. It's a nice, expensive feeling wooden box, so they probably put these to protect the corners. So these are things that you can do, which is very nice. I don't know if you can see the glare on here, but it does have a clear plastic wrap on it. So this is that shrink wrap I'm talking about that I really like personally. I do this on a majority of all of my products and our clients' products. So here they have a generic image showing what's the contents, what's the inside, the brand naming, the brand name, as well as the contents in the inside, so on and so forth, as well as the ASIN. This is on top and it was underneath the plastic. Touching this, it seems like it's real wood. It doesn't seem polished. It is scratched. It almost looks used. You can see the wood's not flushed here. There's some scratches and some dents. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's a nice wood box set and something that you're gonna keep for a while to hold on to your art set. You know, this is a premium product at over $30. Me personally, some constructive criticism. I'm big on production quality. I'm big on using inspections. If you have a product like this or a product and you wanna make sure that it meets specific expectations for quality, I highly suggest that you get an inspection company to do a post inspection. You can do a pre-manufacturing inspection, which is prior to them actually starting, to go look and meet the suppliers and manufacturers in the facility and just get a vibe for the entire place. The way it works is usually there's 30 to 50% you put down that starts manufacturing, then the 50 to 70% is paid at the end before they ship your products. If there's anything that doesn't meet the agreed upon standard or what it is that you expressed that you wanted, like for instance, this may be a standard, you know, that the wood is flush and that everything's not scratched or damaged, they would have to replace the units that do not meet that criteria. This is a good way to make sure that your products meet a high standard of quality. Here you can see that the hinges are decent. We have a few pieces of literature in here, and it looks like it gives you examples of how to use it. It tells you what's inside of them, the 3 different types. You have markers, watercolors, and pastels. Talks about how to get started, what's in the inside, and what you should use. Real cheap, flimsy paper. I would have liked larger font, and I would have liked a little bit more illustrations. You guys know I'm big on package stuffers. Yeah, so these two that are in here look like they're part like pieces out of a coloring book, something that you can start with to color. I honestly would have liked more of a variation. If you're gonna add this, and this is nice because it's a nice touch, it's a variation, some way to differentiate or to add value. I would have liked a lot more than this. I mean, you could have simply added 24, 36, 60 of these for next to nothing, and you could have offered one for grown-ups, one for children, one for teenagers, and had 3 different variations, and it wouldn't have cost you nothing. So I don't know if I like the 2. However, it does add value. And this is, again, constructive criticism. This is not right or wrong. These are just things that I see off the bat. On top of that, there's no package stuffer. There's nothing talking about the company. There's nothing talking about social media. There's nothing talking about websites. There's nothing talking about combating negative reviews or talking about the importance of reviews. Again, we talk about this in all of the 7-figure product review videos. So if you haven't watched any other ones after this video, there will be some more. I highly suggest that you check them out because we've reviewed some awesome products that have amazing package stuffers. But I can't express the importance of package stuffers enough. They help combat bad reviews. They help you get more reviews. They help cross-promote products, get people to your website so you can collect data, collect emails, collect phone numbers, collect pixels, and they help to get people to your social media. Now, the biggest thing is I work with so many people, literally thousands and thousands of Amazon sellers across the globe, and a lot of Amazon sellers who are making stupid amount of money, literally millions of dollars, don't know the importance of social media, don't know the importance of social media marketing and utilizing influencers and capturing emails and building an email list and text message marketing and community lists and all this stuff that we teach in the AMZ formula and that we do for our clients. So if you can make that much money with this one product, imagine how much more you could do by knowing what it is that the top sellers in the world are doing. I would have liked more of a premium packaging, premium labeling. In the inside here, you have a color chart. You have a few different pencils, pencil sharpener. The eraser looks super cheap. The colored pencils come sharpened already, and it's bothering me that they're all not flush against the bottom. They're all not the same size. Everything looks like it's here, nothing's missing. I personally feel that the packaging, the insert could have been a little bit better. Even the quality of the brushes, like if I look at the brushes, it looks like they're used. They're kind of a little dirty. The quality of the brushes feel a little flimsy, a little cheap. So I would have spent a little bit extra money, time, effort, and energy on the quality of the pencils and the pens and the paint and the paint brushes, and most importantly, the labels on the actual crayons themselves. And also on top of that, guys, when it comes to offering value and adding value, you want to differentiate yourself. You want to add value. The more value you can offer outside of what your clients pay for, the better the chances of them leaving you a review. The better the chances that they refer you to other people, which gets you more business. The better the chances are that they're going to buy from you again. So instead of giving these 2 little templates to draw on, you could have even given them 100, 200, 300 templates that they can download. You could have had a QR code on here on a package stuffer that said, go to our website, and on your website you could have templates for kids 3 to 8, templates for kids 12 to 17, templates for adults 18 to 15, templates for animal lovers, templates for car enthusiasts. And what you could have done is you could have went and hired graphic artists on Fiverr.com for next to nothing. And now you could advertise that on top of your high premium, high quality art set, now you have 1,500 different templates, which is more templates than any other listing on Amazon. And now it sets yourself apart from the competition instead of you just selling another generic product. So guys, there's always ways that you can improve your product. There's always things you can do to add more value. There's always ways that you can differentiate your product and serve serve your clients and your audience better. So always be asking yourself, how do I improve? Every single day in every single way, try to make your product better, try to make your customer support better, your services better, your products better. Try to find ways that your manufacturer, your supplier can work with their engineering department, with their graphics art department, with their packaging supplier. Constantly be working as a team, not to just drive the cost down to make you the most money on the front end like an amateur, but to make your product better so you can make more money on the back end like Apple does, like experts. Hey, I appreciate you watching yet another video of 7-Figure Products. If you're new to the channel and most importantly new to the series, hit that subscribe button. Next to that, hit that notification bell because every week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're dropping new videos as well as going live, and I would love to chat with you and help you on your journey to building or scaling your business. In a few seconds, you're gonna see a few more videos up above, including more 7-Figure product videos. Definitely check those out and make sure you take notes because note takers are money makers. And remember this, you're only one product away. Wait, so you're telling me that this product makes over 7 figures per year? This product right here is making over 7 figures per year. If you want to learn how you can find one product that can generate 7 figures per year and absolutely crush it, then you have to check out the next episode in our series, 7-Figure Products. This is where we find these products, we break them down, we analyze them, and most importantly, we show you how you can find them as well. Don't miss out. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button and click that notification bell because every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we have new videos coming your way that's gonna help you increase your income, your impact, and your influence.